Hey there, so I'm actually looking online at shoulder rigs on Amazon, and I stumbled on one that is quite interesting. It's only $15 US. It's by Cowboy Studios, and it actually looks quite decent to have like metal stuff. And yeah, I'm not quite sure if it's really worth it, but it being $15 US, it's super cheap. So I'm gonna order it, try it out so you don't have to. So this is the first episode of Frugal Fridays. We're gonna check out really inexpensive gear and see if it's really worth it. I'm gonna order it and yeah, check out when it comes in, and yeah, let's check out how it is. Okay, package. No, yeah, there's no print on it. Just a plain white box. So let's open it. So let's actually assemble this. So fully assembled, straight out of the box, it looks quite decent. It got a built-in Arca switch quick release, which got a very unnecessary white plate on it, which will get in your way when your camera batteries need some changing. Just for a few buckaroos, you can order a tiny Arca switch plate instead. This design is much more of a gun stock rig than a shoulder rig, but it is modular, so you can easily upgrade it bit by bit if it's needed. Setting this up for the first time, I feel the design is a bit overcomplicated, especially in this region, as it will feel under pressure. Within just few minutes, I made it to my own liking and also lessened the amount of parts needed, and it made it of course much lighter, and it needs much less space when you store it away. It actually feels quite comfy using this, and the only thing is this grip. I really don't like this silicone grip on the bottom because of that rubber feel. Just also doesn't feel nice when your hand starts to get sweaty. It just has a weird feeling to it. However, it is mounted on it with a 1/4 so you can easily replace it with a different grip if you want to. So I have here a different grip, and I'm just going to mount it on here. So now I've replaced the grip with a different grip. Feels much nicer instead of holding this silicone rubber grip, because I just don't like the tactile feel of it. I can see this being a great rig for any startup filmmakers who's using a mirrorless camera, and it's only $15 US. The biggest con on here are the plastic thumb screws, which can break when you over tighten them, but you can find metal replacement parts online for just a few bucks. But definitely was unexpected this to work so well while being so cheap, and definitely I recommend it if you are just a startup, especially you save quite a lot of money so you can buy a lot of different gear. So this was your boy CD, and make sure to punch that like and subscribe button, and peace out.